Hi everyone, Jack here from Coast. In this video, we'll walk through work order request forms in Coast. These forms let people inside or outside your organization submit a work order without needing a Coast account. Let's walk through how they work and how you can start using them in your day-to-day operations. To get started, click Work Orders and PMs on the left-hand side. At the top of your screen, click the workspace title. From the menu, select External Forms. This is where all of your work order request forms live. From here, you can configure existing forms or create as many new forms as you need to support different locations, teams, or types of work. Let's customize our first external work order request form. Open the form, then go to the Settings section. Here, you can rename the form so it's clear to your requesters. We'll call this one Facility 1 Work Order Request. In field settings, you can make fields required, and you can also pre-fill certain fields so your requesters don't have to re-enter the same information over and over. Let's make the requester email required and pre-fill our location field. In the search bar, type requester email, then toggle on required. Then type location in the search bar. Open the pre-fill drop-down and select Facility 1, since this form is for our Facility 1 location. Making key fields required and pre-filling known details helps you get cleaner requests with less back and forth. Now let's adjust the form layout. Head over to the Layout area. This is where you can add and remove fields on the form and organize them into sections so the form is easier to fill out. We'll start by adding a field we want to show on this form. We'll bring priority back as a question for requesters to answer. Scroll down to the hidden fields, find priority, and click it to unhide it on the form. Then drag it up so it appears right below the title. If you'd like to remove fields from the form, click the eye icon next to the field. We'll remove the requester phone number field. You can also format the layout into sections to make longer forms more organized. Click Add a Section, then click the three dots to the right. We'll rename this section Work Order Information. Set this section to 2 columns, then drag the title, priority, file, and notes fields into this section. This gives your requesters a clean, structured form that's quick to complete and easy for your team to review. Once you're happy with the setup, go to the top right corner and click Save for Everyone to save all your changes. To share the work order request form, look on the left-hand rail, click the 3 dots icon next to the form, and select Share. Toggle Create Public Link on. From here, you can either copy the link to share as a URL or download the QR code so people can scan it and submit work order requests from their phone or any device. A quick tip, you can add this URL to your email signature, your company intranet, or your website, or have requesters save it as a bookmark. That way, everyone always knows exactly where to go to submit a work order. Now that you know how to configure and share a work request form, let's walk through the work order request process from the requester's perspective. Someone notices a broken door at the facility and opens the work order request form. In the title, we'll type Broken Door. For priority, we'll choose Medium. We could attach a picture, but we'll skip that for now. In the notes, we'll add more detail, like Main Door in Area B5. In the requester information, I'll enter my name and email since that's required. And because we pre-filled Facility 1 for the location, I don't have to select it. Click Create to submit the request.
The requester will receive a confirmation email with their submitted work order, so they know it was received successfully.
Back in Coast, we'll see this work order request under Pending Review. When we update the status to In Progress, Coast will automatically send an email update to the requester's email. Each status change keeps the requester informed without your team needing to send separate follow-ups. This makes it simple for anyone, inside or outside your organization, to submit work orders without ever needing a Coast account, while still keeping everyone up to date on work order status. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.